Licensees are responsible for defacing the yellow Idaho State Liquor Dispensary stamp immediately when the bottle becomes empty, so the bottle can't be used again. Not after the premises is closed, not the next day when inventories are checked, not after repouring or refilling the liquor bottle, because that is illegal. The Idaho Clean Indoor Air Act states, "No person shall smoke in a public place." Some exceptions are bars, tobacco shops, fraternal or religious organizations, guest rooms in a hotel. A bar within a restaurant must be physically isolated with floor-to-ceiling walls and have a separate outside entrance and cannot share a hallway or a lobby. For keg sales, keg receipts and stickers are required. The required information on the State of Idaho form includes the purchaser, vehicle transportation keg, and the address where it's consumed. False information reported on the form is illegal. A copy of this keg form has to be kept on the premises for 6 months. Information required to request keg stickers from the ABC include the business name, premise number, mailing address, and to whose attention if applicable, the number of stickers requested in increments of 25, and email the request to abc@isp.idaho.gov. Catering permits are handled by the city or county clerk. The licensee is the applicant. Licensees are responsible for the alcohol service. A retailer that does not have on-premises consumption can allow a brewery, winery, wholesaler, or distributor to conduct or assist a beer and wine sampling. The size of each sample of beer or wine shall not exceed 1.5 ounces. The retailer must identify the tasting area within the premises, and the servers must be 21 years of age to conduct beer or wine tastings. Permits are issued by ABC for a benevolent, charitable, or public purpose event. It allows for the permittee to receive donated or purchased beer and wine products from a brewery, winery, distributor, or wholesale. It allows for a designated licensed retailer to assist the permittee with receiving, storage, and dispensing of beer and wine to the event attendees. The permit is $20 for beer and $20 for wine. Permits are not issued for the sale of liquor by the drink or bottle. All transactions when alcohol is sold must be prepaid and take place on the licensed premises and be conducted by an employee 19 years of age or older. Transactions must be paid for by credit or debit card. Upon delivery, the deliverer must verify that that person on the credit debit card matches the person accepting the alcohol delivery and that that person is over 21. Only beer and wine may be delivered. No liquor may be sold for delivery. In addition, contact your city and county licensing authorities to determine if there are any further restrictions on the sale of alcohol. No person, partnership, association, or corporation shall conduct, permit, or encourage any of the following acts or activities in or upon premises licensed. Employment or use of any person, including allowing any person on the premises, while such person is unclothed or in such attire, costume, or clothing as to expose to view any portion of the female breasts below the top of the areola or of any portion of the pubic hair, anus, cleft of the buttocks, vulva, or genitals. Employment or use of any person who touches, caresses, or fondles the breast, buttocks, anus, or genitals of any other person, or who is so touched, caressed, or fondled by another person. Employment or use of any person to wear or use any device or covering exposed to view which simulates the breast, genitals, anus, pubic hair, or any portion thereof. Employment or use of any person to perform acts or of acts which simulate sexual intercourse, masturbation, sodomy, bestiality, oral copulation, flagellation, or any sexual acts which are prohibited by law. Violations of prohibited acts may result in ABC filing for revocation of your alcohol license. Do not invite strip shows, such as male or female reviews, into your establishment. Beware of bachelorette parties, and the props being brought into your establishment. Monitor the TVs in the establishment for content. Monitor dance floors and the patrons. The Idaho Attorney General states, poker tournaments and other forms of casino gambling or simulations of casino gambling are prohibited under the Idaho Constitution. It is a misdemeanor to use, possess, operate any kind of slot machine whatsoever. Any gambling is illegal in the state of Idaho, including any game of chance. Exceptions to gambling include the Idaho Lottery Commission games, charitable bingo and raffles, where you must have a license, pari-mutuel betting, where you must have a license.